What's up, Money Merch fam? Summer is here, so that means hat season is in full effect. We are going through Otto's collection today. The great thing about Otto is they have almost 1 million styles, different colorways. If you're looking to start a hat brand, Otto's my main choice to go to. Here are the options that we like. First one on the list is a 39165. It was a high crown mesh, 100% polyester foam trucker. It has this delicate thin rope on the front, along with a pre-curved brim. It comes in multiple colors. My favorite is the camo here. Also the black and white version. And for the ladies, baby pink. Next on the list is a 31069. This is my favorite because it's a mid-profile canvas cap, 35% polyester, 65% cotton. It comes in two-tone colorways. My personal favorite color, khaki and dark green. Here is royal white, natural, and red. Next on the list is the 18772. For all the dad cap lovers, this is 100% cotton. It has a pre-curved brim, multiple colors available, and it also has the adjustable brass buckle in the back. Some of the colors they have are the royal blue, the powder blue, and the dusty rose. Now, if you're looking for a little bit more unique material, they do have the 313, which is the corduroy hat here, 5-panel mid-structure, snapback closure in the back, fat rope in the front. And the colors we have here are the black, olive green, and the khaki. For all the athletes out there, we have the 95051. This is an athletic hat with perforated airflow all over the cap for maximum breathability. It also has a flex bill, so you can wear it flat or you can curve it yourself if that's the look you were going for. It also has a TPU snapback enclosure in the back with a rubber. It comes with a gray underbrim. The colors it comes in are the black color right here, navy, and the gray. So those are my top 5 choices from Otto. Otto literally has choices for every brand. Dad caps, high crown, mid crown, corduroy hats, performance hats. So whatever you need, check them out, ottocap.com. If you have any questions on what I would recommend personally for your brand, feel free to hit me up, info@moneymerch.com, or comment down below if there's any specific hats you're looking for. Happy to help. Get at me.